Hi viewers, I am Mukhtar Ahmad Khan, your host. Welcome to my channel, Banking Learning, my international trade. I hope you are doing well after a long time, interval of 20 or 30 days. I reappear on the YouTube with my practical banking for foreign exchange trade or import or banking activity for individual to learn how to deal with the customer when they come to you to open an account, their normal account or like foreign exchange import LC, because I am talking about import and I am sitting in the, suppose I am sitting on the desk of import department and a customer comes to me and requests me to open his letter of credit for $10,000 to bring anything perishable or non-perishable or permissible item as per rule of the country. Permissible item allowed by the Central Bank or State Bank of Pakistan to their importer. Okay. They come to you and ask you to open an account. LCA, open and establish a letter of credit of 10,000. The most important thing, you will have to ask him to bring or produce, because the importer has already your customer, an old customer on current account or saving account, whatever he has with him. You will ask him to an application written on the letterhead of the company, number one, to establish a letter of credit, confirm letter of credit on his behalf to the name of exporter, and you will choose or you will guide him to the name of the exporting bank. Number one, request letter. Number two, IB8. IB8 and format, 2-page or 4-page format, prescribed form named IB8, printed, available in the bank with adhesive stamp 100 or 400 or 300 or 500, the prevailing rate of the country as per State Bank rule for foreign exchange. Two documents, IB8 and request letter on the letterhead of the firm. 2. Number 3, chamber certificate, photocopy of chamber certificate, copy of CNIC, and number 5. Fifth, the 5 is a very important pro forma invoice or agreement to sell or purchase made between the seller and buyer. These are the documents to open the letter of credit, and then you be able to open letter of credit. Okay. Now, margin 100% or whatever limit or sanction advice permit you for the $10,000. Sometimes you may ask, or you may debit his account. Then after making the application the same or establish the same through Swift message or telex message to the exporting bank. From where the customer intended to buy or import the goods, predetermined agreement available to him or produced to you. Then when you open the LC, either to Swift, to customer, exporter, or the customer exporting bank abroad, and you will ask them to advise the LC letter of credit to them.